As marketers, you know our brains are hardwired to pay attention to motion. It's how our species has survived. Ever heard that a picture is worth 1,000 words? If that's the case, then 1 minute of video is equal to 1.8 million words. Not only can you communicate more information, but it's been proven to be the medium that consumers prefer. So let's be honest. If a customer has to choose between you or a video-savvy competitor, they'll pick your competitor every time. So you know you need video. What are you gonna do about it? You could waste all that time researching camera equipment, learning expensive editing software, or trying the latest out-of-the-box solution.
Stay focused!
At Marketing Videos Club, we relieve the video burden by becoming the production team in your back pocket. We do this in 3 easy steps. Step 1, you get your user-friendly equipment in the mail. Step 2, you film it by following our step-by-step instructions, plus get a real person's help anytime you need it. Step 3, finally upload your files, we'll work our magic, and you get your final video in 10 days or less. Look, marketers who use video grow revenue 49% faster than non-video users. Which one are you? So, where should we send the equipment? It's really cool stuff.